Hi, I'm here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I want to share with you how to make these cute drawstring bags. You can use orphan blocks, you could use plain fabric. If you like these projects that you see with the various blocks and you would like access to those blocks, please join me inside of a free scrap busting workshop. I give one every month and I'd love to have you join me. I'll put a link in the description below. Save your spot and come and learn how you can use your scraps in joyful, fun ways. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. For the simple drawstring bag, you're going to want an orphan block or something. You can just do plain like I've done here. And it needs to measure 9.5 by 10. And you'll want your front and your back. Then you're going to want 3" by 9.5, two of those. I'm using some fabric twine for my drawstrings. You could use string or ribbon, whatever you want. And then for the lining, you're going to want two 9.5 by 12.5" pieces of fabric. So for each of these, we're going to sew our 3" by 9.5" to the top of the block that we've got here, and then to the back. So once we get that top sewn on there, we're going to flip this around so we're lining up. First we want to measure 1" down on either edge, and we're just going to mark this right here where the 1" is. We're going to come over on this other side, mark where our 1" is, and then we're going to do 1.5, and we're going to make a mark where 1.5 is, come over on this other side and make our mark where 1.5 is. So we'll sew to the mark, stop sewing, and start sewing again where the next mark is, and go all the way around till we get to this mark here. We'll stop sewing and then start sewing again where that other mark is. And you might want to back stitch at the marks just to reinforce them. Then you're going to press those seams open, and you have this little opening here. We're going to turn it inside out, and then we can top stitch just around this opening on both sides. Just like a scant 1/4 inch all the way around here, but you'll just top stitch that opening so that just keeps that fabric in the seam folded back. So it will look like that, and we'll have that little opening. Next, we're going to take our lining. We're going to put it right sides together. We're going to start at the top, stitch down, stitch a couple inches in, leave a couple inch, 2 or 3 inch gap, and then stitch again and all the way up. So it will look like this, and we'll have this opening, and all of this will be open. We're going to trim our corners, which we should have done with the other one. I didn't mention that to you, just so that they'll lay flat. And we'll take our bag and we'll place it inside of the lining. We're going to match up our seams, match up the other seam, pin it in place, and we'll find our halfway marks this way and pin, and then we're going to sew this around the top, the lining to the back. We're going to pull it through that opening that we left, and we can press it one way here, and once we've pressed it, we're going to put the lining inside of the bag. And you might want to go around and just make that crisp edge there where our seams meet. Then you can top stitch all the way around your bag. Next, we're going to sew a 1/2 inch down from the edge all the way around. So that will put us just above where our opening here is. You can use the markings on your sewing machine. If you don't have markings, you can do some tape. Next, you're going to go 1.5 inches down and sew all the way around. So you can feel free to put tape or whatever you need so that you can keep that line straight all the way around. Next, we're going to put our safety pin through our twine or ribbon, whatever we're using for our drawstring. You're going to want 20 inches of that. We're going to go in one of the holes here, and we're going to scrunch it, pull it all the way around so you'll come in and out the same hole, and we'll repeat that process through the other hole. Finally, we can open up in here with our lining, and that little gap that we left open, you can just sew that closed. You can do that with a blind stitch, or because it's deep inside the bag, you can just top stitch it in place. And that will make your simple drawstring bag.